Okay, so I got this problem. My drag link came disconnected from this very poorly designed connection here to the ball joint for the steering. There's a little hole on the bottom of here that sits on top of this ball, and it's just secured with this stupid rubber gasket type of thing. So somehow mowing, I must have caught it in the tree bushes when I'm going around the trees, and it pulled that out. It get worn out, but now I got to figure out how to get this to stay on that, because if I put it on, it's just going to pop off. So I'm going to cut this thing off and rig up a thing to keep the ball joint and this drag rod together. Okay, so I put a little bit of grease on the ball, and I got the drag link back on top of the ball, smacking it with a hammer. I couldn't show you this because I need two hands to do it, but I went and I took a PVC pipe and I cut a little slot in it. And I'm going to slide this on here, and it's going to hold the ball, this down, and onto the ball. I'm going to secure it with some clamps. So I got to put the phone down again. We'll see what happens. I tapped on the PVC right to the end. The slot goes through all the way so the stem of the ball joint comes through here. And I'm going to secure this with some hose clamps to keep this nice and tight, and hopefully this won't pop off anymore. All right, I got the sleeve on, two hose clamps. The hardest part was figuring out where I had to have the screws, because it would hit the frame or it would hit the crossbar for the axle. So I think I have it figured out now. As you see, I can turn and the drag link won't pop out. I'm going to go take it out on the road and see what it does. Okay, so there you have it. I made a little mark with a marker inside there so I can keep track to make sure it's not slipping. And I'll just have to watch to make sure these washers are tight all the time and that they're not hitting any parts of the frame. It's a temporary fix, but this mower is old. I'm just waiting until I get my new mower. And this little fix just cost me like maybe $5. And if I had to buy a whole new linkage, it would have cost $80 to $100 if I could even have done the job.